here from Rossco. I'm just going to run through the cleaning regime on a composite Butler sink. These Butler sinks can last a long time. They're very easy on your crockery, but they do get scratched on the inside and they can get a little bit grubby over time. Day-to-day cleaning, you just need sunlight soap, but I would say once every 2 or 3 weeks you're going to have to clean it more thoroughly. What I recommend is Handy Andy, and one of these yellow and green sponges. You use the green side, pop a little drop of Handy Andy on here. Usually the area that gets most affected is the actual base of the basin, and give it a little bit of a scrub. You can put a little bit of elbow grease, but really it doesn't take much to restore the basin to its original finish. Yeah, so that's our house helpers got into the habit of doing it. Our basin is 10 years old and it's still going strong.